Expressing preferences. The beauty of be fond of. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on expressing our likes, specifically using the phrase, be fond of. This is a common, informal expression often used in English to talk about things we like or enjoy. So sit tight and get ready to learn how to express your preferences more naturally in English. The expression, be fond of, is an idiomatic way to say that you like something or someone. It's a bit more formal than simply saying, I like, but it's still common in everyday speech and writing. The phrase suggests a warm, positive feeling towards something or someone. For instance, if you love chocolate, you might say, I am fond of chocolate. It's a simple yet effective way to express your love for something in English. Let's take a look at some examples to better understand how to use be fond of in various contexts. 1. I am fond of reading mystery novels. This means that you really enjoy reading mystery novels. 2. She is fond of going to the gym. This tells us that she loves going to the gym. 3. They are fond of their new puppy. This indicates that they love their new pet. Remember, you can use this phrase with both things and people. Notice how the verb, be, changes depending on the subject. It's, I am fond of. You are fond of. He, she, it is fond of. And we, you, they are fond of. This is because be is an irregular verb, so it changes its form based on the subject. To express the opposite, you simply add not before fond of. For instance, I am not fond of spinach means you don't like spinach. To ask if someone likes something, we can use the question form. Are you fond of jazz music? Well, that's it for today, folks. Now you know how to use the phrase, be fond of, to express your likes and dislikes in English. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll start incorporating this expression into your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.